Hey there, welcome to Premiere Guy. This channel is all about helping you navigate through Premiere Pro. If you're opening Premiere Pro CC for the first time, it can be overwhelming learning how the program works. Trust me, when I first opened it, I didn't know where to begin. There were so many tools looking at me. After taking a few online courses, Premiere Pro is the best video editing software out there, and it is a breeze to work with. Come and learn Premiere Pro with all of the bells and whistles it has to offer. Your video editing journey is about to begin. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.